Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Image FX and signing in so your settings sync. Once done, grant the app permissions for storage and camera so files can be edited and saved. This prevents interruptions later. Next, pick your image source, upload a file, snap a new photo, or choose from Google Photos, because the origin affects available presets and metadata. Make sure to select a clear, high-resolution image to maximize effect quality before moving to transformations. Now you apply effects. Pick a category like portrait retouching, background blur, or style transfer and tap to preview. As you work, adjust sliders for intensity, radius, and color temperature so the change looks natural. Subtle moves often read better than extremes. Use layer masks to isolate edits and the undo history to test alternatives without losing progress, because iterative tweaks help you find a balanced result. Once happy, compare the edited image to the original with the toggle. Finish by exporting. Choose JPEG, PNG, or WebP and set quality and resolution so file size and fidelity meet your needs. Save a copy to device and optionally to Google Photos to preserve originals and allow later edits. If you encounter issues like banding, halos, or odd artifacts, reduce effect intensity, run noise reduction, or revert the last layer and try a gentler approach. This troubleshooting step fixes most problems without restarting from scratch. Finally, double-check metadata and share settings before publishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.